Buckle up, because the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van in this jaw-dropping bright yellow isn't just a vehicle. It's hiding a revolutionary secret that'll redefine adventure travel, and I'm spilling it all at the end of this video. Welcome to the open road, where freedom meets innovation, and today, we're diving into a machine that's as bold as its paint job. If you're new here, this channel is your front row seat to the world of automotive excellence. Cars, SUVs, motorhomes, and vans that push the boundaries of what's possible. So, let's hit the gas and explore why the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van in this electrifying yellow is turning heads and rewriting the rules of the road. Picture this. A van that doesn't just blend into the crowd, but demands attention with every curve and angle. The 2026 Sprinter's bright yellow exterior isn't just a color, it's a statement. Mercedes-Benz has taken their iconic van and draped it in a hue that screams confidence. Whether you're cruising through city streets or parked at a remote campsite, this isn't the subdued silver or white of a typical work van. It's a vibrant, unapologetic choice that says you're here to live life on your terms. But this Sprinter is more than a pretty face. It's a technological marvel, a luxury suite on wheels, and a testament to what happens when German engineering meets boundless creativity. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Sprinter carries forward the sleek, aerodynamic lines that have made it a staple in the van world, but there's a refined edge to this model. The signature Mercedes grille is bolder, flanked by sleek LED headlights that cut through the night with precision. Those big running boards aren't just for show. They make hopping in and out a breeze, whether you're loading gear or ushering in a group of friends. And that bright yellow paint? It's not just eye-catching. It's a high-quality, durable finish designed to withstand the elements, from scorching desert sun to coastal salt air. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time van lifer, this Sprinter's exterior is built to endure and impress. Now, let's step inside, because this is where the 2026 Sprinter transforms from a van into a lifestyle. The interior is a masterclass in versatility and luxury. Midwest Automotive Designs, a leader in custom Sprinter conversions, has taken this model to new heights. Imagine sinking into plush leather captain's chairs, 6 of them, to be exact, with a 44-inch opposing bench for extra passengers. Every seat is a throne, complete with heating massage functions and enough legroom to make a first-class flight jealous. Overhead, dimmable LED ambient lighting lets you set the mood, whether you're hosting a movie night or unwinding after a day of adventure. And speaking of movies, the built-in Alpine entertainment system turns this van into a mobile theater. With a high-definition screen, wireless headphones, and a subscription-based internet hotspot, you can stream Netflix, YouTube, or even live sports from anywhere. USB ports and control stations at every seat keep your devices charged and your passengers connected. But it's not just about luxury. This Sprinter is a workhorse when you need it to be. Behind the rear seating, there's a cavernous storage area perfect for golf clubs, camping gear, or even a mobile office setup. Overhead hangers keep your clothes wrinkle-free, a godsend for business travelers or anyone heading to a formal event straight from the road. And if you're thinking about off-grid adventures, the van's got you covered with a landline connection for campground hookups or a generator for true independence. This is a vehicle that doesn't just adapt to your lifestyle, it anticipates it. Under the hood, the 2026 Sprinter is powered by a refined diesel engine that balances efficiency with performance. It's quieter than ever, delivering a smooth ride that makes long hauls feel effortless. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts with precision, and the available all-wheel drive system ensures you can tackle everything from slick city streets to rugged mountain trails. Fuel economy is impressive for a vehicle of this size, letting you stretch your adventures further without breaking the bank at the pump. And with Mercedes-Benz reputation for durability, you can trust this Sprinter to be your companion for years to come. The driver's cockpit is where technology takes center stage. The MBUX multimedia system is your command center, with a touchscreen interface that's as intuitive as your smartphone. Navigation, AM/FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth connectivity are all at your fingertips, while steering wheel controls let you manage cruise control and audio without taking your eyes off the road. A heated steering wheel and power-adjustable seats make every drive comfortable, and the master screen lets you control the rear entertainment and lighting systems with ease. Safety hasn't been overlooked, either. Blind spot assist, Adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera system make maneuvering this beast a breeze, even in tight spaces. Now, let's talk customization, because the 2026 Sprinter is a blank canvas for your dreams. Whether you're building a mobile office, a family hauler, or a full-blown motorhome, Mercedes-Benz offers hundreds of upfit options. Want a rear bathroom for extended trips? Done. Need a pop-top roof for extra sleeping space? No problem. Companies like Midwest Automotive Designs and Becker Automotive Design are pushing the boundaries, creating sprinters that rival private jets in comfort and style. Prices start around $50,000 for a base model, but fully customized versions can climb to $350,000 or more, depending on your vision. This van isn't just a vehicle. It's a platform for creating your perfect escape. So, what's the game-changing secret I teased at the start? Here it is. The 2026 Sprinter is the first in its class to offer a fully integrated hybrid powertrain option. That's right. Mercedes-Benz has paired their legendary diesel engine with an electric motor, giving you the best of both worlds. The range and reliability of diesel for long hauls, and the efficiency and silence of electric power for short trips or urban driving. This hybrid system isn't just about saving fuel. It's about redefining what a van can do. Imagine pulling into a campsite with zero emissions, running your onboard systems off battery power, and still having the muscle to tow a trailer or climb a mountain pass. It's a game changer for van lifers, eco-conscious travelers, and anyone who wants to future-proof their adventures. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van in bright yellow isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle, a statement, and a glimpse into the future of travel. It's for the dreamers who crave freedom without sacrificing comfort, for the entrepreneurs who need a mobile office that turns heads, and for the families who want to make every journey unforgettable. This van doesn't just take you places. It transforms the way you experience the world. If you're as blown away by this Sprinter as I am, hit that like button and let me know in the comments how you'd customize your dream van. Are you going full luxury motorhome, rugged overlander, or something totally unique? Subscribe for more deep dives into the vehicles that are shaping the future of driving, and share this video with anyone who needs a dose of automotive inspiration. Until next time, keep chasing the horizon.